Alright, what's up, y'all? So I caught a lot of flack on that video I did with the rust converter. You know, I was working on my abandoned Chevy Avalanche, well, formerly abandoned, and I sprayed that truck undercoating. I sprayed it all in the frame. Y'all said it was all nasty and rusted. I trapped the rust in there. I destroyed the truck. It's all gonna fall apart. It's, you know, it's gonna rust into a billion pieces, and you're gonna, you know, bad things are gonna happen. Not the case. Let's take a look at it. So I like to use this stuff, phosphoric acid. I get in there, I paint it on, and it converts the rust to a less reactive form so that it's not just rusting under the paint or whatever. You know, this stuff completely converts the rust so that we can paint it and we don't have it rusting underneath the paint, which is what y'all were concerned about. So you can see right here, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's fine. It's been like this for months. It's not peeling, you know, nothing's going on down here other than a nicely painted truck frame. So it wasn't even that bad anyways, you know. This wasn't a rust belt truck. If it was a rust belt truck, I'd be doing something totally different. But I was just trying to, you know, clean it up a little bit, make it a little prettier, and stop the rust while it was just surface rust. It seems to have worked well for me. So you can see on this truck right here, it's just stock undercoating like this. It's kind of like rubberized, like Chevy did from the factory, but it's not really rusting, but it's not really good looking like I wanted it nice and black. So this got it nice and black when I sprayed the stuff on there. You know, it seems to have done fine for me. I've used this stuff on a lot of different trucks and I hadn't had any problems. Let me know how y'all like to treat rust on your vehicles, on your trucks. If you got a rust belt truck, you know, good luck stopping rust on that, but you can only do the best you can. So the way I like to do it is pressure wash it down, wire wheel, wire brush, then get in there, rust reformer, let it dry, come back, and then spray some undercoating on there, and I should be good. Let me know how y'all do it down below in the comments. Check y'all in the next one. Later.